Hi everyone, Miriam Anna here again. In BodyTalk, we work with a form of tapping where we mostly tap over the head, over the sternum, and over the navel. And we do that to actually address three brains that each and every person has, which are crucial for our health and well-being. Now, hang on a minute, three brains. You might go like, what? Don't we just have one brain? Well, yes, we certainly hopefully do have one brain, but actually we do have another two brains, which are very, very important and which are very closely working with our actual brain and which are interdependent on each other. So let me explain that a little bit. Firstly, of course, yes, we do have our actual brain and it sits in the head. And in BodyTalk, we refer to it as our controller. It is obviously one of the most used structures. It's a very important structure and system within our body-mind complex. And it is what we activate or encompass in our sessions to get the commands out into the body-mind system of what changes need to be made and what needs to be addressed and what needs to be corrected. So by tapping over our head, we sort of send out a standing wave highlighting the issues to our actual brain and sort of like shining the torch into the dark so that it knows where to look and what to go for. Secondly, we tap over a sternum to address the heart brain. Now, the heart is the biggest electromagnetic field within our whole body mind. And it really, when I do this, it expands further, out from our body than we actually maybe think that it would be. Our heart takes the commands coming from our brain and it obviously pumps them out and distributes them out through our whole system, through our body, but also through our energetic field, so that those changes really can be implemented. It also takes the commands from the brain and it stores them as a memory for future reference. That ensures that the changes which are made are lasting and that whenever, something similar starts to happen, the commands are there and can be sort of drawn out again, and that health and that well-being can be maintained and the balance can stay in place. Thirdly, we tap over our navel, and that is to talk to our gut brain. Now, the gut brain, a lot of you probably know because you've had gut feelings, right? You've had gut feelings telling you what to do or maybe not to do. And that's why we are actually encompassing that gut brain within our BodyTalk sessions. Now, the gut brain is the decision maker, and it makes sure that the changes are implemented, but also integrated, absorbed, and digested. So that, walking forward, it really becomes a new state of being and a new state of body knowing. I hope that sort of illuminates those three brains and the reason for the tapping over the three parts of your body a little bit. And if you have any further questions, please reach out to me, or you can find a whole lot of more information on my website, rippleeffectswellbeing.com, or on the webpage of the International Body Talk Association, IBA. Looking forward to working with you.